To create a weekly note in Obsidian, first open the settings icon in the lower left corner of your vault. Then go to Core Plugins, scroll down until you find Weekly Notes and toggle it on. That single switch activates the entire system, and once it's enabled, you'll see a small calendar icon appear in your left sidebar. Click that icon and Obsidian instantly creates a note for the current week, named with a date range like April 14th, 2025 or Week 15, 2025, depending on your chosen format. If you don't see the icon, press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac to open the command palette. Type "Open this week's note" and select that command. It does the exact same thing. Within seconds, you have a blank canvas dedicated entirely to your weekly planning. Now, this note is more than just a date stamp. Think of it as a command center for your week, giving you a high-level view of goals, tasks, projects, meetings, and deadlines, all in one place. Unlike daily notes, which help you manage what happens hour by hour, the weekly note lets you zoom out and see the big picture. It keeps you focused on priorities that span multiple days, and it works beautifully alongside your daily notes because you can link between them. Let me walk you through how to fill it out so it actually becomes useful. Start by typing a heading called Weekly Goals. Under that, write 3 to 5 objectives you truly want to accomplish this week. Be honest with yourself. These should be the outcomes that matter most, not a wish list of everything you could possibly do. Below that, add a heading titled Priority Tasks. Here you'll create checklists by typing a dash, a space, then an opening bracket, space, and closing bracket, like this, followed by the task. This turns each line into a clickable checkbox in Obsidian. As you complete something during the week, you can click the box to mark it done, and that visual progress feels incredibly satisfying. Next, create a heading called Projects. List the major projects you plan to work on, but don't just name them. Link directly to the project notes you already have in your vault. For example, if you're redesigning a website, type double square brackets around website redesign, like this. Redesign, website redesign. Obsidian will turn that into a clickable internal link, so you can jump straight from your weekly note into the detailed project note and back again. This is where the magic happens. Your weekly planning becomes a hub that connects to every related note in your vault, saving you from hunting through folders. Then create a meetings section. List any scheduled calls, stand-ups, or syncs for the week. If you have separate meeting notes, link them the same way. This way, when you review your week, you can see exactly which meetings happened and what decisions were made, all without leaving the weekly note. Follow that with a deadlines section for important due dates. I recommend writing the date and the deliverable clearly, so you can scan it at a glance and know what's coming. Now add a section called Notes. This is your catch-all for ideas, reminders, or any information that comes up during the week. If your manager drops a random request on Tuesday, jot it here. If you think of a brilliant idea for a project, capture it in this section. Later, you can decide whether it becomes a task or goes into a permanent note. Then create a resources area where you paste links to documents, websites, or research materials you'll need repeatedly. Having everything in one place means you don't have to dig through bookmarks or emails. As the week progresses, keep the note alive. Update your progress updates section with milestones you hit. Check off completed tasks in your priority tasks list. If new work comes up, add it to the same checklist. This is a living document, not a static plan you set and forget. Also, add a challenges section where you honestly record any obstacles or blockers. This isn't just for venting, it helps you identify patterns and prepare for similar issues next week. And don't skip the wins section. List your accomplishments, no matter how small. This practice builds momentum and gives you concrete evidence of your progress when you look back later. Near the end of the week, create a next week section. Move unfinished tasks here so they carry over intentionally rather than falling through the cracks. Then do a quick review. Look over everything you've recorded, make sure links are correct, and add any final updates. Obsidian saves your changes automatically as you type, so you don't need to worry about losing work. If you want to make this process even faster, consider creating a template with all these headings already in place. Obsidian's template plugin lets you insert a pre-made note structure with one click. Save a template with sections for weekly goals, priority tasks, projects, meetings, deadlines, notes, resources, progress updates, challenges, wins, and next week. At the start of every week, you just insert the template and fill it in, saving yourself 10 minutes of typing headings. Week week, keep your weekly notes organized by storing them in a dedicated weekly notes folder. This separates them from daily notes, project notes, and meeting notes, making your vault much easier to browse as it grows. Also, pick a consistent naming format, such as YYY, MMDD, weekly, or week W, YYY. That consistency makes searching and linking reliable over months and years. And here's the most impactful tip. Spend 10 to 15 minutes at the end of each week doing a proper review. Check off your last tasks, summarize key accomplishments, document lessons learned, and plan your top priorities for the next week. This habit turns your weekly notes into a powerful history of your work. Over time, you'll be able to look back at any week from months ago and see exactly what you achieved, what obstacles you faced, and how your goals evolved. That long-term view is invaluable for improving your planning and staying accountable to yourself. So start simple. Turn on the plugin, create your first weekly note, and add just 2 or 3 sections. Build the habit, then expand the sections as you get comfortable. You now have a complete system for managing your week inside Obsidian, and you can revisit this note anytime you need to reset or refine your approach.